They're three separate businesses,
Okay.
and I think they still operate very separately.
People don't know where we're at on production as far as the components of a part. So that's been a struggle.
Looking at the numbers, we're not certain where we need to be.
All the guys out on the floor, their morale is down because of that. They don't know who to go to.
They've got one sales guy for possibly 50-something people.
And you know, I mean, everything I do every day, I mean, I'm kind of learning new. So I'm kind of taking it one step at a time.
Without accountability, stuff doesn't ever hit the deadline. You're always calling the customer.
Get some more work in the door and make it booming again like it used to be.